The flowchart. Using a flowchart. A flowchart is a planning tool that graphically portrays a programming task. It is a visual diagram showing the progress of work through a sequence of operation. So there is a flowchart. Makita na to diri ang mga programming task nga naka-process step by step. In most cases, a pictorial representation on how an algorithm works is quite easier to understand through a flowchart than putting them a lengthy text. Benefit and limitation of using a flowchart. Flowcharts certainly afford us the benefit in presenting our procedural plan in graphical format, although in some other way it admits of some limitation. So ang flowcharts dahil na siya mga limitation. Some of the benefit of flowcharts are as follow. Since flowcharts are presented in graphical formats, the logic of the program can be easily communicated to another person without having to explain in details its content. So ang flowchart po dahil ko no, dali ra siya maka-communicate sa ubang tao without explanation, bitaw o po na benefit to the flowchart. Flowcharts help in effectively and efficiently showing a segment solution of a problem sliced into smaller parts so it can be easily viewed and understood at a glance. So ang flowcharts po di ay gamit po siya sa pagsulbad sa mga problema balibahinon into smaller parts so dali ra siya ma-solve. For purposes of program documentation, flowchart serve the purpose as it's presented the step in more detailed form. So ang kada step dahil na mga form balik ay mga purposes po. Once the flowchart is drawn, it becomes easier to write code the program into any programming language. So dali ra daw ta makasulat og mga program sa bisag unsa nga mga programming language. The flowchart is very useful in correcting error. So gamit po daw siya sa pag-correct sa mga error. Example ana kanang mga debugging ug mga mali nga solusyon. Steps containing faults that are difficult to pick up on lengthy text are easily detected in flowcharts. Dali ra po daw ma-detect sa flowchart ang mga difficult pick up nga lengthy text. Some of the limitation of the flowcharts are as follow. When the logic of program develops in more detail and in rapid proportion, the flowchart has a tendency becoming difficult and ungraceful. When major adjustments are required to be made, the flowchart may require significant amendments or even complete revision of redrawing. So ang flowchart ay required sa mga significant. Flowchart is meant for human communication only. So ang flowchart ay sabutan ni kay human communication ra daw siya. No part of it is understandable to the machine. So dili siya masabutan sa mga machine. Except for its logic, none of the current programming language is exclusively represented by the flowcharts. So wala daw kung may current language hindi represented sa flowchart. Types of flowchart. System flowcharts. A system flowchart is a graphical representation showing the overview of the processing employed in the whole system. So kanang system flowcharts daw no, diri na to makita ang mga process nga gi-employed sa tibuok system. With system analysis, it is developing a new system application. His ideas need to be written down on a paper, mostly in graphical illustrations. So ang idea kailangan na to isuwat sa papel. One of the most important tools of the system analyze to the system flowchart as bring the most effective ways of showing what inputs are required. So kailangan po dahil na to i-analyze ang system para maibawan na to yung sa ato mga angay nga i-input. What action are to be taken to process the inputted data and what the output should be required by the system. System flowcharts also show connectivity of the software hardware. People are involved in the operation. So ang mga tao dahil involved sa mga operation. Ug ang flowcharts po dahil connected siya sa mga software o hardware. So sa diri nga part ako nang explain largo ang standard symbol. Ang kaning standard symbol kay ang flowchart man gyud na siya mga symbol o mga design. Ang each symbol na sila kaugalingon nga gamit ug unsay ilang mga purposes. Show of the ANSI standard symbol used for shaping up a system flowchart. So mo ni sila nga ANSI standard symbol, meaning ng ANSI day kay American National Standard Institute. So makita nato diri sa mga symbol na siya mga pangalan riyaan ni rectangle processing siya. Example, kita nato ni mga pangalan. As medium communication, most of the time the system analyze communication in part with programming through graphical image. So ma-analyze din sa system ang communication pamaagi sa mga graphical na image. So mao ni sila. Ug sa diri nga picture input validate nga error report nga diri subos validate transaction na diri ang kuano giunsa siya. The process as show above mostly are sequential in nature except during an update. When a double pointed arrow is used between the update process box and the master files. Double pointed arrow means that access to the master file is direct and that the latter is currently used as input and output. So kaning tagbuhang nga arrow dahil mo ni means aning naka-access siya to the master file. Program flowchart. A program flowchart is a graphical representation of the logic in solving problem. So ang flowchart ay kaya nag-represent siya of the logic para ma-solve ang usa ka problem. It provides detail of step and the sequence in which those steps are executed to generate meaningful result. So nag-provide ko siya mga step of details para ma-generate ang mga resulta sa imong program. However, unlike the system flowchart, which illustrate the system flowchart sa program, flowchart describe the flow of the sequential step. So ang sa flowchart ang flow nag-describe siya sa sequential step.